best way of tackling this question is to let W represent the width. L is going to be the length, but it's not really going to be L. We need to find a way of expressing the length in terms of the width. And that's where the question, the second sentence of the question, where it says the length is 45 longer than the width. So the length, and maybe we should just use the pen, not the highlighter. The length we can use W plus 45. We are talking about a rectangle, and we know a rectangle has a length, a width, and a width. So when we go to build an equation here, we're going to have the width and the width. But where the length is, instead of writing length, we're going to write W plus 45 because that's an equivalent expression for the length of a rectangle. And so we're going to add all those together. And we're also told that we have 1,170 feet of fencing. Add those together, you're going to get 4W plus 90 equals 1170. 4W equals 1080. And W is going to equal 270, which is option B. So the answer to this question is